Okay guys, so you have your helmet Batfox and you want to have the camera at the front. Here's how you're gonna do. First you need to buy this type the mount for the, in my case is the DAI Action 5. Why? Because you can fold it. You see the difference, the original and the aftermarket. They have the a quarter threaded for you can thread the screw there like a for a camera. And we have our screw. So first drill the hole in the way your camera don't touch the back. I already test this one, this helmet. The helmet is strong, the visor is stronger enough to hold in your camera. So basically you have to make sure your camera don't touch here. So I already said you have the hole for this size, a quarter. I'm gonna leave the link on the description on everything for this bracket and this screw. The package coming for so you can use in your different helmet you have. So let me show you how this one is. Okay, it's very simple. After you make your hole in the way on the position you want, you can run your camera. So you place one of the screws here, place it, just place it, mount this one. This one is still you need the direction. Usually they have the brand at the front. This one, the original has the DAI, the Action 5 is like that. The Action 6 is different, has the both side, you can connect in both sides. On this one you need to make sure like that. I place a little electrical tape here just to give a little direction, but it's your choice. So you place this one here and start turning. I found this one is very special for this type of visor and helmet. It doesn't look too straight, a little bit moved it. You see, it's about equal here, equal there. Is there. Is your visor holding this? See? That's it. So there is your camera in your Batfox helmet. Now, like I say, I installed um, the electrical tape on the back a little bit to have more space here on this section. You see? So if it's a little bouncing, doesn't break the screen. So it's like that. So I'm getting ready for Ciclavia and get my new helmet. So almost all the video I recorded here in tomorrow is gonna be from this point or direction of the camera. If you think it's little, it's not even, it's not straight, you can feel a little bit like that, and that's it. You have your camera mount on the Batfox. Nobody pay me, but it's like that. I give you this little tip if you want to use your camera here at the front. This one has the original. On this one, they have the mounting for the mounting on the top, but I found this one is more useful because they give you a little shade, cover the lens, and then that one make your video looks better because it doesn't have the reflection, the direction of the light. So that's what I found. That's why now I'm using more at the under the visor the cameras. So it's like that. How is looking the helmet with the camera at the front. So see you next time. Probably will see you at the Ciclovia.
El asfalto arde, cazadores de sueños bajo luces cobardes, haciendo piruetas.